Welcome to VedLink. This platform helps you manage your customers, chat, and marketing all in one place. Let's quickly see how it works. When you sign up to the vedlinkai.com, you get options to register or connect your account of WhatsApp, Facebook, and Instagram. Once you are connected with the account, you can see connected status on the dashboard. If you have any queries or any problem integrating your account, you can always contact our support team on contact@vedlinkai.com and we will help you onboard. Once you are onboarded and logged into the VedLink AI platform, you will see this dashboard. You will also see your message limit, and your message limit can always increase from 250 to 2000 messages per day to 10,000 messages per day to 100,000 and to infinite. Based on your history of messaging, Meta will automatically upgrade you to the next tier of the messaging limit. Now, as you also see, there are regular and loyals, which are like customer categories we have created. So when you go to the customer, you get options to create your customer types. Now here I have created two customer types, and you can create like regular, gold, platinum, or regular, loyals, and whatever category you want to create. Once you create those categories, while adding a customer from add customer form, you can select that category and categorize that customer as per your requirement. So basically category help you to keep customer separate or keep customer labeled under that category. Now in add customer form, you get option to add your customer or get the contact detail of them and save it. So basically VedLink is a CRM tool where you can manage your customer details. Now we will see how you can communicate with your customers. So once you have entered your customers, you can see here I have two customers and I can now send messages to them or interact with them whenever required. I can also import my customers and I can also export my customers. We also have option of data sets where you can create multiple data set by uploading the Excel or CSV, and then all these data sets are saved in the system. So data sets are the customer or any kind of data set which help you to do bulk messaging on WhatsApp. So let's say if I'm selecting this data set and I have all this data, now what I can do is from here only I can select all the customer and then phone number and send the message to all these customer on WhatsApp. We will see this part later. Now under messaging we got option of chats. In chats you can see your WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Instagram, all chats at one place. You can also see this AI suggestions and also see your read, unread messages and search the messages as well. You can reply to the customers. And you can also send media, images and things to the customer. Let's get to the template page. In template page, you can create a marketing template for WhatsApp. So basically, before you send a bulk messaging, you need to create a template and get it approved from the Meta. So here you can create any kind of template. You can see I have created template with some call to actions button and things like that. So basically you can manage all your templates or create any kind of template on this template option. Here you can edit and delete them as well, and you can also filter out based on the requirement. What are the chat tags? Chat tags are tags which you can assign to the chat. Chat tags help you to manage your chats better. So if I go to chats, you can see I have chat tags over here, and you can give any kind of chat tag or you can create any kind of chat tag based on your requirement and assign it to the chat. It helps your team to identify priorities and figure out what customer is asking for and what are the customer context. Now in chat tags, you can also provide a context prompt like message related to interest in donation and financial help. So donation interest. So I can go to the AI messaging again, and here I can enable the auto tagging feature. So once this auto tagging feature is enabled, now based on the message of the customer, it will automatically tag that customer. Now you got history. History is basically when you do the bulk messaging, you will see the status of the message and the information if it is failed or successful. So basically it's a campaign and status of the campaign of how many messages were sent, delivered, read and failed. Now we'll look on how to send the bulk messages to the customer. So I'll go to the all customer. I will select all and send message. Once you click on send message, you get option to select a template you want to send or do bulk marketing. Now I'll select this, and then you get option to schedule a message. Let's say you want to send it on the particular date, let's say 27th of May or 26th of May, then you can schedule it date and time. If you want to send it immediately, keep it off and just press send message. So once you send message, you also have to add header image if there is any image in the template. And once you send message, it will send message to all the selected customers. You can also send messages from the datasets. Now in datasets, once you go to dataset and go to select all and send message, then you get option. Because datasets are completely dynamic, so to identify what column is your phone number column, you just select the column with the phone numbers in it and just confirm, so that system knows which column to be used as contact number. On the same column, whatever number is written or whatever number is there, it will send a message. So I can again select the template I want to send message, and then same choosing the image if there is any, and then in the variables like customer name, you also have to select a column like baker name as customer name, and then you can either schedule or directly send a message. Now in the dataset, you also get option to edit the dataset on the live, so you can add or remove things or edit directly over here once uploaded, so that you can manage your data even more efficiently. Now let's check the last feature, which is managing your profile. In the profile, you can have your profile name and address and settings for password and thing. Under the account section, you can manage your WhatsApp account, your Facebook account, your Instagram account and things. And under the company section, you can create a company, you can set up your default country code, you can set up your website. Also you can manage users. So basically, once you have integrated with VedLink, you can add your staff users. Under the staff user, you can have as many as user as possible. So without sharing any ID or password to the staff, you can give access to the chat of WhatsApp, Instagram and Facebook. So this is it for the vedlinkai.com. If you have any questions or queries or any suggestions for the software or require any support on the software, please contact us on contact@vedlinkai.com, or you can directly message on any of our social media channels.